So related to internet is working, so you have to update the Wi-Fi driver and LAN driver. So go to hp.com and then extract three dot to click support and then software and driver. Then click to laptop. Then next click to HP. Uh, Pavilion gaming 615. Scroll down, select Windows 10 operating system, Windows 10 64-bit, then click to submit. Scroll down and extract network driver. So you can see this is Bluetooth driver and this is Wi-Fi driver and this is LAN driver. So try to first Wi-Fi driver, just click to download. Then scroll down, download more. Again select the operating system. So now this is downloading. Let first Wi-Fi downloading. So then click to yes. Then this is LAN driver, just click to download. Okay, it will start automatically. So next, previous this is installing Wi-Fi driver. The next I accept. Next this is installing by the CMD. No worry about it, will complete. After that restart your system, both LAN driver also. Okay, so you can see this is PCI. Okay, PCI means Realtek, PCI means LAN driver. I accept. Next. Okay, he also installing by the CMD, both one by one. Okay, so after that restart your system. Thank you.